Moen offers a variety of kitchen faucet styles to satisfy everyone's preference. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a Moen Pullout Kitchen Faucet. Step 1. Preparation. Before getting started, turn off the hot and cold water inlets for your kitchen faucet. They're usually located in the cabinet below the faucet. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using a Phillips screwdriver, adjustable wrench, and safety glasses. Step 2. Mount the faucet assembly to your countertop or sink. If there are 3 holes in your countertop or sink, you'll need to install a deck plate. Check your product box to see if a deck plate is included with your faucet. Position the deck plate and its gasket over the center mounting hole to cover the holes you don't need. Then insert the hoses and faucet shank into the mounting hole. If there is 1 hole in your countertop or sink, feed the hoses and faucet shank through the spout base gasket and align it to the base of the faucet. Then insert the entire assembly into the mounting hole. Make sure the handle is on your right and the spout is facing you. Then slide the mounting washer onto the faucet shank. Make sure the hoses are in the curve of the washer. Thread the mounting nut onto the faucet shank with your fingers. Make sure the faucet is positioned properly. Tighten the mounting nut with the provided installation tool. Inserting a screwdriver at the end of the tool makes tightening easier. Notice the rough edges on the faucet shank. Thread the hose guide nut on the end to protect the pull-down hose from rubbing against the edges. Step 3. Connect the water supply lines. The hot supply line, which has a white tag, should be connected to the hot water inlet. Secure the connection with an adjustable wrench. You want the connection to be snug, but don't over-tighten. Now attach the cold side in the same way. Step 4. Install the pull-out hose and hose weight. Feed the small end of the pull-out hose into the faucet spout. Remove the protective cap on the end of the hose. Then slide on the donut-shaped weight. Connect the pull-out hose to the faucet with our innovative Duralock Quick Connect system. Simply insert the hose into the connector. An audible click indicates a secure connection. Step 5. Flush the system to remove any debris. Make sure the faucet handle is in the off position. Turn the hot and cold water inlets back on. Position the pull-out hose into the sink and turn on the faucet. Let the water run for about 15 seconds. This will flush any dirt or debris that might be in the system. Step 6. Attach the spray wand to the pull-out hose. Remove the protective cover on the end of the spray wand. Make sure the rubber washer and screen are in place. Thread the spray wand onto the pull-out hose. Tighten it with an adjustable wrench just until the hose nut is flush with the wand. Be careful not to over-tighten. The last step is cleaning up. In order for the spray wand to function properly, the area around the hose should be clear of any cleaning supplies or other obstacles that might inhibit hose movement. Congratulations! Your job is finished. Installing a pull-out kitchen faucet is fast and easy with Moen. For more information about Moen and our products, please visit moen.com or call Moen Consumer Services.